Eccentric millionaire Robert Durst smiles as he's driven from a court by sheriff's deputies Tuesday. Durst spending a second day in a New Orleans courtroom, this time facing drug and gun charges. Police say they found a stash of marijuana and a handgun in his hotel room when he was arrested Saturday for the murder of former friend Susan Berman 15 years ago. His lawyer saying an apparent confession in an HBO documentary was what sparked the arrest.
My concern is that the warrant that was issued in California was issued because of a television show and not because of facts.
But investigators in California point to new handwriting evidence on a pair of letters shown on the HBO documentary series The Jinx. One Durst wrote to Berman a year before her killing, and another that pointed police to her body. Prosecutors will argue the handwriting matches.
It's an astonishing case.
Professor Paul Rothstein of Georgetown University Law says Durst's bizarre behavior and involvement in the documentary could point to the possibility of an insanity plea.
The guy must be a little bit mixed up mentally, a little bit publicity seeking to get himself into this kind of hot water. And he has provided fairly damning evidence against himself.
Not guilty.
Durst had been acquitted of murder in a dismemberment death in Texas. He's also been long suspected, though not charged, in the 1982 disappearance of his wife, Kathleen Durst, in New York. Her body has never been found.
I will take his going to jail any way I can. I'm not fussy. He can only go to jail once. What I would like is for him to tell us on his deathbed, if he has to, where he put Kathy's body or pieces of it.
It's unclear how soon Durst will be extradited to California. A New Orleans judge has scheduled another hearing for next week. Robert Bumstead, Associated Press.